Welcome back, friends. Now we are going to deal with module 2 progressions. In the previous section we were discussing about equations, theory of equation and its concepts. Before we going further in the progression, we need to discuss about some terms. Sequence. What is a sequence? A sequence is an endless succession of numbers placed in certain order so that there is first number, second number and so on. For example, the sequence of a natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another example, sequence of even numbers is 0, 2, 4, 6. Another example, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16. Another example, sequence of natural numbers ending in 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61. Sequence means it's a series, it's a group of numbers that are arranged in such a manner that a number beginning is followed by a group of numbers is either based on continuity basis or on the basis of some requirement like a set of even numbers, or another case like a set of natural numbers ending in 1, like that. Next we will deal with what is meant series. Series is a sum of the terms of a sequence. A series may be finite or infinite. A series may be positive or negative. In the previous line, we were discussing about sequence. It means arrangement of a number in an order. It may be either continuous or at certain intervals. Whenever we take the sum of the numbers all in the group, it is known as series. It may be positive series or it may be negative series, because series can be continuous in the forward manner or as well as in the reverse manner. Next, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is said to be AP, otherwise known as AP, if every term of it is obtained by adding or subtracting a constant number to its just preceding term. Because a sequence got by starting with any number and adding or subtracting a fixed number repeatedly to it. That fixed number is called common difference. Common difference for an AP is denoted by small d is any term minus its just preceding term. When the common difference is positive, the terms are increasing arithmetic progression, and when the common difference is negative, the terms are decreasing arithmetic progression. Here for example, 4, 6, 8, 10 is an arithmetic progression. Here the common difference, or otherwise known as d, is 2. It is taken by subtracting 6 minus 7, the number just preceding that one number. This is the equation for finding out the value of arithmetic progression in a series. T subscript n equal a plus bracket n minus 1 bracket b, where a is the number from which the series begins. In the previous example, 4, 6, 8, 10, there the number begins from 4, that is a is 4, and n. Usually in arithmetic progression cases, you will be asked to find the nth term in a series, beginning with n number, followed by either continuous or on the basis of common difference basis. You need to find the nth term. That nth term is known as n. For example, in the series example 4, 6, 8, 10, you may be asked to find the 100th term of that series. 100th term. In that case, when we apply the same equation, here n represents 100, okay, and d, that we have discussed earlier, d is common difference. Let's go to some of the cases. Find the 14th term of the series. 13 plus 17 plus 21 plus 25 and so on. By applying the arithmetic progression equation, we will get the answer. Before going into the equation, you need to identify the weighted values of the variable. Here A means A represent the series number beginning, and N represent what is the nth term that was asked in the question. D is the difference. You have to make sure whenever you find the D, you need to take the difference between the second variable minus first variable. And you have to be very cautious while dealing with finding the value of D, because it may be either positive or negative. Here the series is continuing forward, that's why it is a positive number. If the series is going in a reverse order, the number will be negative. So be cautious while dealing with such cases. Okay, we can substitute the same in the equation. You will get 13 plus 14 minus 1 into 4. 65. So the 14th term of that series is 65. Let's deal with different cases. Next one. Find the 20th term of the series 258. Same case, just follow the rules. Find A, N, D. Substitute the same in the equation and you will get 59. Simple. Let's go to some other cases. Find the 10th term of the series 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. See, the series is in the reverse manner. So be cautious while taking the values. A is 3 as usual, N as specified in the question, and the D. While finding D, make sure you need to find the difference between the second value and the just preceding number. You will get minus 2. Because negative values have an impact on the problem computation. By substituting the values 3 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 2, you will get minus 15. That's all for today. We will deal with further cases in the next classes.